has passed since our last open house. I'm really proud to say that this last year was the best year ever in junior achievement's history. Thank you. We accomplished so much this past year. Most notably, we served over 84,000 students, primarily low-income kids, here in the state. And we were able to do that only because of the help from our 9,000 volunteers. Thank you all so much for the volunteers and the monetary support that allows us to serve so many of these kids. We know that these students received our programs, and because of that, they are much more likely to be successful in work and life. Students like Casey and Emmy, these lovely young ladies that you just saw, I am really so proud of them, and we're really honored that junior achievement has played a role in the ladies that they are becoming and what their futures will be like. So thank you all. And thank you to our other JA Young Ambassadors that you saw here tonight. Please take a moment and everybody give them a round of applause. Okay, so what do we have in store next? We're always evolving to make sure that we can serve kids in the very best way and prepare them for the future that they're going to experience. We want them to have the critical skills that they need to succeed no matter what that future ends up looking like. Who can predict what life's going to be like in 10 years, but we know that those kids are going to need critical thinking. They need to have financial literacy, and together with our volunteers, we are providing them with those skills. Now, if you look in this room, just recently, we have been evolving this. We want our junior achievement biz towns to look more like a smart city, more like the workforce of the future. So we've done some new things in here, and we've put in some co-working space and some lights and some signs and taken down some walls. And we were able to do that at almost no cost, thanks to great donations from some of our wonderful donors. These updates are the kinds of things that we're able to do, and because we can do them at no cost, we can serve even more kids. We're on track this year to serve even more kids than we did this year, with an emphasis on reaching more of those low-income youth. And what we're really proud of our reach, we're going to reach over 85,000 kids this year. We know that there's over another 1 million kids in this state who need and want our programs. We're only limited by funds and by volunteers. But we would not be able to achieve the impact that we've had without you. We are really grateful. We are so grateful for your support and everything that you have done to help us get to where we are today. I hope you might think about how you might want to get more involved. Remember, we need 9,000 volunteers every year. There are so many opportunities to help our students.